In this video we will be showing some of the similar things we have shown already, how you export a model to Dyrobes. Basically, you first import a model onto the main canvas. Here we are using an Excel file, Excel template. And this is an assembly which you might have seen it before. Different materials, overall data, step table for each part, and we are going to add a couple of bearings. There is one bearing added there. You can move the point left and right. You can add bearing. There is another one. Add a point which is in the middle, but you can move it back and on the sideways. Add a bearing. By default it will be on the rigid ground, but if you remove the J, it becomes a flexible support, and corresponding entry will be there on the support. Yes, there's another flexible support here. That will be automatically numbered when you mesh it. And there you can see that in the bearing tab, all the bearings are there. And then you add a disc. There's a disc tab, all of them will show up. There's only one disc here. Add a point in the middle because we are going to create a station there. Okay, so we are done with the model. We are going to see the meshing, and by default the L by D is 0.6. so this is the meshing. Solid line are station lines, broken lines are feature lines, and chain dash lines are the intermediate lines which can be controlled by L by D. So we can export this one to Dyrobes, creating rod file is created. Model is created in Dyrobes. Now we'll go back and change the meshing. We'll have a finer mesh in the middle. So we have actually one L by D line, but you can have multiple L by D region. This is second region and third region is added, and each region you can have different L by D. So we're going to have a finer mesh, 0.2 in the middle. And so view mesh, you see more lines there in the middle. Now any intermediate line can be converted to station or deleted, or there's inserted. So he made those two intermediate lines stations. Okay, so it is remeshed, refined. Now it is passing through the Dyrobes translator to create the rod file. Translator is active now. The rod file is being created. It is done. Now you have Dyrobes read that rod file. So the meshing is done in minutes. Remeshing is done in minutes.